Direct damages for breach of confidentiality can have serious implications for businesses. Understanding these damages is crucial for protecting your company's sensitive information and navigating the complex world of non-disclosure agreements. Direct damages and confidentiality breaches refer to measurable and foreseeable losses that result directly from the unauthorized disclosure of confidential information. These are distinct from indirect or consequential damages, which may be more difficult to quantify or prove. When creating a non-disclosure agreement or NDA, several key elements should be considered. First, clearly define what constitutes confidential information and include standard exclusions. These exclusions typically cover information that is publicly available, already known to the receiving party, or required by law to be disclosed. A residuals clause is another important consideration. This clause makes an exception for information retained in a person's memory, which can be a point of contention between parties. The disclosing party often views this clause with scrutiny, as it can potentially weaken the protection of their confidential information. Calculating direct damages for breach of confidentiality typically involves three main components. First, loss of revenue directly attributable to the unauthorized disclosure. Second, cost of remediation, such as expenses incurred to mitigate the impact of the breach. Third, legal fees associated with enforcing the agreement or pursuing litigation. It is important to note that the definition and enforceability of confidentiality agreements can vary widely across jurisdictions. For example, courts in the United States often differentiate direct damages from consequential damages more explicitly than some European jurisdictions. Businesses operating internationally should include jurisdiction-specific provisions in their NDAs to account for these differences. Emerging trends in confidentiality agreements include provisions for cybersecurity, addressing ownership of AI-generated content, and enhanced clauses for compliance with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Companies must regularly update their NDAs to address these evolving risks and opportunities. Given the complexities surrounding direct damages for breach of confidentiality, it is crucial to seek expert legal guidance when drafting or negotiating NDAs. Experienced lawyers can help tailor agreements to your specific needs, ensure compliance with relevant laws, and provide strategies for protecting your confidential information effectively. Understanding direct damages for breach of confidentiality is essential for safeguarding your business interests. By carefully crafting NDAs, considering jurisdictional differences, and staying informed about emerging trends, you can better protect your company's sensitive information in an increasingly complex business environment.